Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's customer wallet management application. It helps you to manage the digital wallets for customers across the Odoo POS and the website module. You can track the balances, recharge and make full or partial payments with help of the wallet seamlessly in both online and in-store purchases. Ensure the accurate and transparent wallet management. It boosts customer engagement with the offers discounts and an integrated e-wallet system for all sales channels. So here for the first step I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the website module and selecting the configuration and going to the settings. So here you will find one configuration for the website wallet configuration. You have to select this checklist, and after that you have to select the product for the same, and you just have to save it. After that I'm just going to the configuration and selecting the payment providers, and here you can see I have activated the wire transfer payment method, and for the same you have to select this need approval checklist. Now I'm just going to the website module, and here you will find one wallet page. So here you can see we have a balance of $500 in our wallet. If you want to add the balance in your wallet, you just have to click on this add wallet balance, and you have to enter the amount and validate the same. So here you can see we have successfully added the wallet balance. Now I'm just going to the home page. Now I'm just going to make the new order, going to the shop and selecting one product and proceed with the checkout. So here you will see one option for the use wallet. So I'm just going to select the same and selecting the payment method for the rest of the amount, and just going to proceed with the order. So here you can see we have successfully completed a transaction with the wallet, and our order is also completed. Now I'm just going to the Michelle admin, and here you will find one option for the my account. So from this you can see the portal user and the wallet transaction for the customers. So here you can see the debit and credit transaction for the same. After that I'm just going to the sales module, and under the orders you will find the option for customers. Here I'm selecting one customer, and under the sales and purchase tab you can find the option for the wallet balance for particular customer. So here you can see the customer have the two wallets, and here is the transaction the customer made for the wallet. After that if you want to add the balance, so you have to click on this wallet recharge and select the journal you want to add, and I'm going to add the 100 wallet recharge. So here in the wallet balance you can see it is updated. After that I'm just going to the website module, and under the e-commerce I'm selecting the orders, and I'm selecting the order which we have done, So here in the order you can see it is reflected we have made the transaction from the wallet. After that, I'm just going to the sales module, and here you will find one option for the wallet management, and I'm selecting the wallet transactions. So here you can see the transaction which we made from the wallet. After that, we can do the same with the POS module. So for the first, I'm going to the point of sale, and under the configuration I'm selecting the payment methods, and here I have created one payment method and selected it as a wallet journal. After that, I'm just going to open the session and open the register, and here I'm just going to select the customer, and here you can see for the deco addict we have added the wallet balance as 1100, so it is reflected over here. If you want to add the wallet balance, so you have to select the customer. So here you can see the balance is updated, and after that you will see one option for the wallet recharge. I'm just going to click on the same, and here I'm just going to add the amount. And now I'm just going to click on this add money button. So here you can see we have successfully added the recharge. So here you can also see the wallet balance is updated over here. After that, I'm just going to add the product to the cart and made the payment. So here I'm selecting the method as a wallet, and validate the same. So here you can see we have successfully completed transactions with the wallet, and our order is completed. After that, I'm just going to the orders and selecting the order and selecting the recently made order. So here you can see it is reflected as a wallet transactions we have made. So after that, I'm just navigating to the accounting module, and under that I'm just going to select the customer invoice and selecting the invoice. So here in the journal items you can also see, and in the invoice you can see we have done the transaction using the wallet. This is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.